Did you know? Successful persuasion often follows a psychological principle known as the if rule, which starts with an assumption and gradually guides the audience to believe it as a fact. This technique is widely used in speeches, sales, religious preaching, and more. Today, we'll dive deep into the if rule and learn how to enhance your influence in communication. 1. What is the if rule? The core concept of the if rule is starting with an assumption and leading the audience to eventually accept it as a fact. Begin with an intriguing assumption. Use data and stories to strengthen persuasion. Gradually build a sense of agreement. 2. Real-life applications of the if rule. Religious persuasion. A preacher might ask, if God doesn't exist, then who created everything? Then, through testimonies and faith-based stories, they eventually convince the audience that God exists. Investment persuasion. A speaker might ask, if you could have more time with your family? This resonates with the audience, eventually convincing them that financial freedom is achievable. 3. How to use the if rule to enhance persuasion. First, utilize hypothetical questions to create resonance with your audience. Next, provide data and examples to increase your credibility. Finally, gradually guide the audience until the assumption becomes a fact. This technique is especially useful in workplace negotiations. 4. Scenarios where the if rule is applicable. Like workplace negotiations, interpersonal communication, marketing and sales, and others. Master the if rule by starting with assumptions and gradually leading the audience, turning them into firm believers in your message. If you found this technique useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more psychology and communication tips.